Morning, children. We are now discussing about understanding quadrilaterals, polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. Here in box, look at the box. First one are polygons and second one are non-polygons, because second one open curves. Polygon comes from Greek. Poly means many and gon means angle. Gon means angle. Polygon, many angles. Okay. Oh, what a shapes. Here are all these figures polygons? No, because here circles are not polygons, because there is no line segments. Why are circles are not polygon? There is no line segments. Classification of polygons. First one, triangle, which has three sides. Quadrilateral, which has four sides. Polygon, which has five sides, is called pentagon. And six sides, polygon having six sides is hexagon. Polygon having seven sides is heptagon. Polygon having eight sides is octagon. Polygon having nine sides is nonagon. Polygon having 10 sides is decagon. Now, diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Here, triangle, three sides, but there is no diagonals. But quadrilateral, four sides, but it has two diagonals. Pentagon, five sides, it has five diagonals. So hexagon, six sides, it has nine diagonals. Okay, observe this table. You have to write here polygon, triangle, and next column number of diagonals. Triangle 0, quadrilateral 2, pentagon already you know, hexagon already you know, heptagon already you know. Right here. And how many diagonals can you draw from one vertex of n-sided polygon? Okay, you will write this one. Okay, let it. Now, interior and exterior curves. Interior of curve, the area which is inside of a closed curve is referred to as interior of curve. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, interior part of the curve. Shading part. Area highlighted with green is interior of closed curve, and points A, B, C, D, E and F all lie in the interior of the closed curve. Next, exterior curves. Here, the entire area which is outside of a closed curve is referred to as exterior of a curve. And points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H all lie in the exterior of the closed curve. Here red part, not white part. Does exterior have a boundary? The area beyond orange color is also exterior. The area beyond orange color is also exterior, because exterior doesn't have a boundary. Convex and concave polygons. Here convex polygon. What is convex polygon? A polygon of which all interior angles are less than 180 degrees is known as a convex polygon. Which all interior angles are less than 180 degrees is known as a convex polygon. Every internal angle is less than 180 degrees. Here concave polygon. A polygon with one or more interior angles greater than 180 degrees is referred to as a concave polygon. At least one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. It's enough. So here from this figure 235 degrees is more than 180 degrees. So it is concave polygon. In one of the figure given below, some portion of its diagonal will be in their exteriors. Which one is that? Here concave polygon, convex polygon. Okay, next, regular and irregular polygons. A regular polygon is one where all the sides are congruent and all the interior angles are congruent. Congruent means equal in side or equal in angle. Irregular polygons. An irregular polygon is one that is not regular. That means all sides are not equal, all angles are not equal. Here irregular polygons. Thank you children. Here P. Srinivas, same as ZPHS Rudraram, Karimnagar district.